Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna just take a look at installation of the TRX. I have all of the pieces here. You have a ceiling attachment that usually comes with the kit, the door anchor, which looks like very similar to the other door anchor that you use for your elastic bands. This piece goes in the door, and obviously you would close the door towards you rather than close it this way, so that if it happens to not get latched, you're not gonna go flying. But today what we're gonna focus on is just using the TRX strap, setting it up around a bar, because I do have my cable system here, so we can go ahead and set up the TRX with that, and I'm just gonna show you how to wrap it around the bar. So here is my TRX strap. The old ones at the gym, they seem to have 2 carabiners on each end. Take this strap and you're gonna wrap it around at least twice around your secure surface, and it's gonna come back in through one of these loops that are here, and then you're gonna pull it tight. So we could go a little tighter than that. And then the second part is the strap itself. It can go to any one of these height positionings here to help adjust the height of the TRX. So here's my TRX. I actually have 2 different ones. So we can go ahead and put it on the bottom strap, or you can put them anywhere along here. Now the TRX itself, this one hasn't been used yet, so it's even still wrapped up. It basically adjusts like a bra strap, basically. So you just pull it and then you adjust the slack by going up. Sometimes you can't adjust the slack, obviously, because this one is down really low. So we can wrap this more in order to make it higher, in order to get the right height here for our exercises today. So I'm gonna take this off, and then we can go ahead and hook that in, pull down on it, and hook the other strap hook into this end space. And then we can just simply adjust it to the height that we need, up and down. It's pretty straightforward in terms of just pulling the strap and then making sure they're even, but there's a little bit of slack in the middle here that they're gonna be able to give you a little bit to the right and to the left, and then you just pull up on the yellow tab here and to get rid of any of the slack in the leftover strapping. So that's it, that's how we install the TRX.